Here's why you should never get flustered over a woman that pulls back. As a grown-ass man, you have a lot of responsibilities. You're an important person. You have a job. You're punching the clock day in and day out. You're working a lot. You don't have time to be constantly looking over some chick's shoulder who's being immature and possibly being unfaithful. So now you're in your emotions, constantly running behind her, worrying about where she's at, what she's doing. At the same time, you're trying to handle your business and tend to your adult responsibilities. Because you're distracted by a woman, things are going to start falling apart. You're showing up to work late. You're cutting workouts, constantly checking her Instagram stories. You're a distracted mess. What kind of sense does that make? Just thinking about it, what sense does it make to be wasting your time and energy chasing someone who's not loyal, who doesn't value or respect you or your time? She doesn't follow your lead or respect you as a man. You know damn well this makes absolutely no sense. You can only do your part. You have responsibilities that you need to take care of. You have business to handle, things to do, places to go, people to meet. You're too busy investing in yourself to be dealing with foolish games. As good as she might be at hiding certain things, something's gotta give. If you pay attention, it's gonna show up somewhere. You don't ignore it, but you don't react either. She might seem more distant towards you. She might start disrespecting you in a subtle way. Little things most dudes would likely just brush under the rug. She's gonna start taking you for granted, specifically the things you do for her. Maybe she's showing up late to places the two of you've made plans to be, or she's not showing up at all, and she's giving you terrible excuses. There's no way she's connecting intimately with someone else and maintaining consistency with you. But if for some reason you don't see the red flags showing up in any other aspect of your relationship, they will for sure make themselves known in the bedroom. But that's if it still goes down at all. When that time comes, you'll notice she doesn't jump at the chance like she used to. She's no longer excited. She doesn't perform as good as she used to. She's no longer interested in doing the things you like. She doesn't even try to impress you. Maybe she's skipping the intimacy. She always says she's tired, or she'll say she made plans and she can't come see you. Yes, it's understandable if she's like this a little bit here and there, but it's a constant thing. That is a red flag. If you know, you know. At the end of the day, have some self-respect and don't waste your time with someone who's given you the bare minimum. A wise man I know always says your actions equal your truth. Shout out to Steve the Dean Williams. Through her actions, she's telling you the bare minimum is all you're worth. We're not going for that.